Hey everyone, welcome to instafollowers.com. Today we would like to talk about our Twitter video download service, which is one of the most preferred free services. As you know, Twitter is a platform that still maintains its popularity around the world and millions of content are shared. Twitter Video Downloader is a free tool that allows you to download your favorite videos on Twitter. You may sometimes want to download Twitter videos that you like so much, but Twitter does not allow you to perform such as an act on the platform. The Twitter Video Downloader tool is here to fix this problem. You can download Twitter videos online without any trouble. Let's take a quick look at the steps. First, copy the direct link of the video and paste it into the box field and click the download button. If you type in a username, you will see a list of videos you can choose to download. However, if you paste the link of the video you want to download, only the video copied and pasted will appear. Select the video you want to download. The video downloaded page will automatically open another tab when you click on the download button. By right-clicking on the video in the Open tab, you can download the video and save into your desired device. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Twitter Video. And let's not forget, this downloading process will turn videos from Twitter to MP4 format, and remember that you can only download videos from public Twitter accounts. So that's it. We hope you like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.